Hi there. The classic 5-day Salkantay Trek to Machu Picchu is the best alternative hike to the ever popular Inca Trail. Along the Salkantay Trail, you'll enjoy epic mountain ranges, sublime snow-capped peaks, and beautiful lakes such as Laguna Umatai. Personally, once Beck and I arrived at Machu Picchu, we also hiked to Huayna Picchu, Machu Picchu, and Machu Picchu Mountain. For more information on the Salkantay Trail and these other hikes mentioned, please find the links to the respective guides in the description below. Happy hiking, everyone!